Hi Heavenly Spirit Souls, I'm E.T. from LifeTree TV. I will be your speaker today. Have you ever thought about the meaning of a matrix on the earth? Now I'm going to share with you Udeka's writing of the principle behind the installation of the material matrix. Everything unfolded on the earth comes from the heaven. Everything unfolded on the earth originates from the consciousness of the Creator. Everything unfolded on the earth is what the consciousness of the Creator is implemented after its vibrational frequency is lowered to be compatible with the material world. The consciousness of the Creator is implemented on the earth through spirits. The consciousness of the Creator is unfolded through the spirit consciousness that angels implement. The consciousness of the Creator becomes the consciousness of the spirit soul when the spirit consciousness is combined with the soul consciousness. In order to be manifested as the consciousness of the spirit soul in the human body, the consciousness of the Creator must go through the function of the meta-humanoid consciousness implementation system, the action to create the mind. Finally, human thoughts are born after the consciousness of the Creator passes through the filter called the energies of a spirit soul bag. It is not easy to unfold the consciousness of the Creator of the 18th dimension in the 4th dimensional material world. Therefore, special spirit soul groups are prepared to unfold the 18th dimensional consciousness of the Creator in the 4th dimensional material world. By imparting heaven-given thought adjusters to those special spirit soul groups, the consciousness of the Creator dwelling in the 18th dimension has entitled them to install material matrices in the 4th dimensional material world. Through several groups of expert spirit souls who have special heaven-given thought adjusters, the Creator has installed material matrices on the earth, operating the material world. The material matrices that the Creator has installed through these professional spirit soul groups are called Mang, which is the heavenly nest laid out by the heaven, which anything once caught can never escape from. The groups of expert spirit souls who are unfolding the will of the heaven on the earth are as follows. Those who are involved in the installation of a Mang tend to believe in only what is visible. There are several groups of spirit souls who unfold the consciousness of the Creator on the earth. The Melchizedek group, the administrators for matrix management, the administrators of the spiritual hierarchy of planets, and the workers of darkness who are also called the members of the shadow government, which is the government of darkness. All of these groups of spirit souls are belonging to the descending spirit soul group. Below are the principles by which these groups of spirit souls install material matrices on the earth to unfold the will of the heaven. Those involved in the installation of material matrices are optimized for the role of setting up theater stages on which spirit souls gain material experiences. People in these groups have their cognitive structures specialized for logical and rational thinking. Those who are bound to install Mang belong to the group of spirit souls who have very strong spirits of truth set up in their spirits so that they can carry out scientific or rational thinking based on the principles by which the material world is created and unfolded. Those who have the role of installing material matrices on the earth are very intelligent and smart people who have a highly developed spirit of truth. Because of the structural and functional nature of the spirit, it is almost impossible to expect highly intelligent people also to be warm-hearted. Through those who have highly developed spirits of truth, the heaven has set up and is operating certain stages in the material world. Through those people, the heaven has unfolded Chalajimang tightly in the material world. Those who have well-developed spirits of truth are the spirit souls who are born with their thought adjusters well equipped by the Creator. So they are so-called born with silver spoons in their mouths. They are born with their heaven-given thought adjusters 10 times more enriched than those of general spirit souls. In other words, when the spirits in these groups are born, their heaven-given thought adjusters are said to have 10 times more contents than those of general spirits. If those who have highly developed spirits of truth are like college students from their birth, then general spirit souls can be compared to kindergarten children. These spirit souls with ample fortunes are supposed to install material matrices on planets at the college student level consciousness. Also, these spirit souls with ample fortunes should live on planets as scientists, philosophers, politicians, or revolutionaries, relying on the college student level knowledge. For the general spirit souls with the kindergarten student level consciousness, these spirit souls with ample fortunes have the role to install Chalajimang, the material matrix originating from the heaven, in which the general spirit souls can gain material experiences. These spirit souls with ample fortunes do not evolve. They are a group of spirit souls born for the special purpose of setting up material matrices on planets. In order to enable the spirit souls who the Creator has created to gain material experiences, the Creator who runs the grand universe has needed special workers to perform heavenly tasks on behalf of the Creator. These special working groups are the workers of darkness and those of the government of darkness. They who act as invisible hands on planets are involved in installing, managing, and operating certain stages on planets. It is the Creator who has created the workers of darkness. It is also the Creator who has learned the government of darkness. All the good and evil as human consciousness recognizes originate from the Creator. The origin of everything that exists on the earth is the consciousness of the Creator. The Creator has installed a variety of intricate material matrices on the earth so that its children don't have to feel bored during their journeys for gaining material experiences. Various types of spirit souls who play supporting roles have been invited to the planet Earth to serve to prevent the spirit souls on Earth from noticing that their lives are plays. Numerous spirit souls with ample fortunes who play roles of villains have been invited to the planet Earth to complete fun and interesting well-made dramas. People who play bad roles are needed to make good people reveal to the world. Cinderella's goodness could stand up because of the evil personalities of her stepmother and stepsisters. To let spirit souls know about the preciousness of light, the world where they live needs to be dark, windy, and noisy with various contradictions and problems. Because of the spirit souls with ample fortunes who have been invited to Earth to play bad roles, Earth will be able to become the most glorious and brightest planet in the universe, as Jami 1, which is the paradise of the material universe. Those spirit souls have been incarnated as the heavenly people to meet the heaven's needs to manage, maintain, and learn the material civilization of the planet Earth. At the present level of human consciousness, the workers of darkness and the government of darkness are very bad people. Those who know that they themselves belong to the works of darkness account for only 3% of the workers of darkness working on earth. In addition, those who know that they themselves work in the government of darkness make up only 2% of the workers of darkness on earth. People who human consciousness recognize as the workers of darkness or the government of darkness are those whose spirit have been born to play such roles and optimized for each role whenever they are incarnated into the material world. Without them, there are no spirit souls to be able to play such bad roles. People want to play good roles. Meanwhile, there are people called the workers of darkness whose spirits have been created and born with ample fortunes and who play bad roles all around the world for the sake of theater stages called material matrices. On behalf of the heaven, I, Captain Udeka, would like to express my deep gratitude to the workers of darkness who have installed, learned, and managed the material matrices on the planet Earth. I wish all the best for the workers of darkness and also for the light workers who are struggling to be matured for their own completion on Earth, the planet of the deepest darkness in the universe. December 27, 2019, Udeka wrote, translated by E.T. I appreciate your watching.